Good morning, third graders. I hope you guys are having a great Wednesday morning. Hope you guys are getting started on your work. Now, if you notice today in arithmetic, we have a brand new concept. And so this isn't any harder. It is actually just a little bit longer of a multiplication problem, but you guys already know the steps to it. Now, make sure if you have been struggling with two-digit multiplication, or some of you have, go back and watch my videos. Ask your parents, call me, text me, and I will help you make sure that you guys have this down pat, all right? Now today we're gonna be multiplying where we have 3 numbers on top and 2 on the bottom. So what we're gonna do is we're just gonna multiply as usual. So we're gonna start with our ones place, and this is actually on page 307. This is number A1A and B here, all right? So here we go, let's get started and let's do this together. First of all, we start with our ones place. So we're gonna say 6 times 3, which is 18. Put down my 8, carry my 1. 6 times 2 is 12, plus 1 is 13. So remember, I put down my 3, carry my 1. 6 times 1 is 6, plus 1 is 7. So if you've noticed, I've just multiplied all the way across. Now, we are done with our ones place. We're gonna mark out our 6, put down our 0, and come here and either erase or mark out where you carried, so you don't get confused with what numbers you're supposed to add. So now we're gonna start with our tens place and go all the way across the top. So 5 times 3 is 15. Put down my 5, carry my 1. 5 times 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11. Put down my 1, carry my 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. Now we are ready to add. So 8, 8, 8, and 6. So my answer is 6,888. And so that is how we multiply with 3-digit factors on top. All right, so let's go on to B. Now, in B, again, we're gonna start with our ones place. We're gonna say 2 times 9 is 18. Put down my 8, carry my 1. Then we have 2 times 4, which is 8, plus our 1 is 9. We don't have to carry there. You don't have to carry every time. Sometimes you will, sometimes you won't. And then 2 times 3 is 6. Well, we're done with our ones place, so mark that out. Erase where you carried. Put down our 0. And now let's say 7 times 9 is 63. So we put down our 3, carry our 6. 7 times 8 is 28. Plus 6 would be, do you know, 28 plus 6 is, are you ready? 34. Put down our 4, carry our 3. And then 7 times 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24. All right, here we go. We add it, and we get a pretty big number here. 25,128 is your answer. So check your answers with this video. Make sure you got the same. If you don't get it the first time, go back and re-watch this and see how I did this to be able to make sure you were understanding this. Now, let's look at your book here. We have some story problems, and let's go to the first one. It says, at the grocery store, Mom purchased milk for $3.35, tomatoes for $3.29, 2 pounds of sliced turkey for $6.98 per pound. So that's a clue there that we're gonna have to go back and figure that out. And bread for $2.68. So what you have to do is, first of all, you have to figure out how much 2 pounds of turkey costs. So you're gonna take $6.98 and multiply that by 2, and then add up the rest of what Mom purchased. And then for B, you're just gonna find 1/3 of the chairs there. Remember, it's just a fractional part, 1/3 of a number. We would divide that number by 3. And if you flip over on the back, you have for number 3, you have a graph there, and you're figuring out the constellations. make sure you look where it says each star means 3 constellations. And so you're going to go down there and write a multiplication sentence with those stars. So look right there, Dad, it says 3 times 3 equals 9 because Dad had 3 stars and 1 star equals 3 constellations. So 3 times 3 equals 9. That was done for you. So let's look at Mom. Mom has 1 star. And so if that 1 star just means 3, so you would say 1 times 3 equals 3, and then you can do the rest for the children there. Now, let's move on to your language test that is for today. You have test number 15. Now, I was looking, and you only have 2 more tests left. We only go to test 17. So, wow, we are moving right along. At the beginning of your test, you're putting things in alphabetical order there, and then you have a dictionary part. Now, I may have some of those pages that you may need in order to answer those questions. So let me give you a hint. If you go to your glossary, which you've been using, and look up these words, it tells you exactly what they mean. So that may help you a little bit with that section. And then on number 5, you are just looking to see the guide words, which guide word would go with that entry word. And so just think about guide words. That would be something that would have to come in between that. So then let's look on the back of your test. If I can get the page to turn. On the back, you have singular and plurals. You're just actually making those singular words plural, okay? And so make sure you're adding either the S or the ES, or changing the spelling, the Y to an I and adding ES, just however you need to do to make those words plural. And then the last part is capitalization and punctuation. Now, sometimes a lot of you will miss things on these sentences just because you're flying through it. Remember, you were looking for capital letters, you were looking for commas. There are quite a few commas in these sentences. You're looking for periods, question marks, exclamation points. So make sure that you're taking your time on that section, numbers 15 through 23, and getting all of that capitalization and punctuation in there. I hope you guys have a great day. Please let me know if you have any questions. That's what I'm here for, and I will talk to you soon.